Fire changes everything. Every animal has only one choice: run. Except one hunter. It flies toward the flames. It isn't escaping. It's looking for fire. Then, it steals the fire. One burning branch becomes a brand new wildfire. Everything hiding underground is suddenly exposed. The fire never wanted the mouse. The bird did. And sometimes, they hunt together.
Australia's First Nations people have known this secret for centuries.
This may be the only wild bird that has learned to use fire as a weapon. The fire doesn't scare them. It brings opportunity. One carries the fire. Another waits for the hunt. Another spark. Another wildfire. Every hidden creature is forced into the open. Fire reveals. The hunter decides. Sometimes, every escape route already has a predator waiting. The wildfire feeds the hunter without burning a single feather.
Rangers have watched this happen again and again.
Rapid adjustments, keep it steady. We have to get this shot. There.
Scientists came looking for evidence and found something unbelievable. This isn't just survival, it's strategy. Long before modern science, people here already knew. The fire spreads, and so do the hunters. Every movement below is another opportunity. Then, everything happens at once. Even the fastest escape can end in the sky. One wildfire feeds many hunters. From above, the entire savanna becomes a hunting ground. Most predators chase prey. This one changes the battlefield first. Fire has become another hunting tool. Nature doesn't always destroy with fire. Sometimes it hunts with it. Even when the fire begins to fade, the hunt isn't over. Some survivors wait until the flames disappear. But another danger is still watching. One second is all it takes. The wildfire ends with one last meal. From above, the landscape tells the whole story. Fire didn't change the bird. The bird changed the fire. For thousands of years, This hunter has mastered a weapon few animals could ever imagine. And when new life returns, the cycle begins again. Nature's greatest hunters don't always have the biggest claws. Sometimes they carry fire